Hello all, welcome to Death Code. In today's video, we will be making something like this. It's a simple small web browser in which you type in the URL into the URL box, or edit text, you press in the go button and that loads into the web view. On previous tutorials of iOS and Android, we talked about how you can interact with buttons, and in Android there are three ways to interact with buttons. On top of that tutorial, we will build this application. In this application, what we have, I have already created a bare bones structure of application so that it will not consume our time. In modern days, in these days, most of the people are choosing to create hybrid applications that are based on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So what they use what they use to load that HTML, that JavaScript, that CSS files, they use the web view and stores in a local SS directory so that they can open up the close and that open that files so that you can interact with that HTML component. So it looks like it's a native application, but it's not a native application. The more modern native application builder like PhoneGap, Cordova, all these application uses this web view to load their HTML, CSS files so that they can resemble like a native application. So let's get into it. What I have done till now, I have an edit text in which you are hint is URL, ID is URL box, and the input type is text URI, and the button is having an ID of go, and it is below the URL box, and its string is button text. That go comes from the strings file where I have a string named button text and whose data is go. So whenever you type at the string in button text, you will get the data go. So, and we have so and so web view, we are having an ID of URL loader, which is below URL go, it is below the button go, and that's all. So in main activity, what I have done till now, I have already added the widgets of objects and I have linked it with the UI's counterpart. So what will I do? Go with button dot set on click listener new on click listener, and I will check if the URL box is not empty. So URL box dot get text dot toString dot is empty. If it is empty, then I will show the user a text that make text, and context will be main activity dot this, and text will be enter URL. You can also create many checking conditions for checking that if it is a valid URL or not. So, and that's up to you. It will be a short video for you. Okay, that's it. Else, if it is not empty, then webview dot load URL, sorry, URL, and URL box dot get text dot toString, and it will load the URL. So let's see what does this does for us, and I will play this application. I will pause the video till Gradle runs. Okay, our UI is ready and our app is ready to show off. So let's type in https://www. Okay, dot google, not google.com. Let's see what it does. Oh snap, web view not web page not available. Oh, I missed it. Whenever you interact with and whenever you try to interact with the internet, you always ask for the permission of users. Permission, I don't know what happens. Permission internet. So let's start it again. Portable is running. This time I will not pause it, but because the manifest file always takes the manifestations of the application, what it requires, and how the activities will interact. So the application is ready, and I will type in https://www.google.com. Okay, it loads the URL, but here you see that it does not load the URL into the web view. This is because the default URL loading methodology in Android is like whenever you type in a URL, it loads up into the default URL browser, that is default browser of your Android device. Maybe it is Firefox, maybe it is Google Chrome, maybe it will be anything. So what we have to do is we have to create we have to supply WebView with a WebView client, and we have to override default URL loading policy. So you are loading. So that's it. That's what we want. If you play it again, you will definitely see that this application works as good as new. Let's see. Done. https://www.google.com. Oh, good. It works. Let's type in facebook.com. Go. For it. Okay. It's working. It's working fine. So that's all for this video. Enjoy your weekend and have a good day.